I'm Peter.
And I'm Marcelo.
And welcome back to Mini Maker Studio. Today we'll be showing you how to make the Papercraft Among Us Crewmate and the Papercraft Baby Yoda from Kooky Craftables.
Okay, so I'm here on the Kooky Craftables website, and I'm just going to scroll down, and they have a ton of paper crafts here, and you can just pick out which one you want to do. But today we are going to be doing the Baby Yoda and the Among Us Crewmate. So in the Baby Yoda, you can just go into the Baby Yoda, and you can download that one and print it out on cardstock. And for the Among Us Crewmate, you can go into there. And that one, they have a bunch of different colors, and you can pick out your favorite color and print that one out on cardstock also. The materials you will need are scissors and glue. Okay, so first we're gonna be making Baby Yoda / Grogu. So after you've printed it out, you're just going to look through all the pages and you're gonna cut them out how it says to cut them out. Okay, after you've cut them out, there should be dotted lines on each of the cutouts. And those are lines that you're going to fold on. You're going to make a mountain fold on those lines. After you've creased all the lines, this is when you're going to start gluing the pieces together. On each piece, there are clumps of big black dots. That's where you're going to glue the pieces together. We are going to use this Elmer's roll-on glue. So you're going to roll the tape or put the glue on the black dots, and you're going to attach the other pieces to those black dots. Fold the pieces over and attach them to the glue points until it makes a 3D shape. Once you've glued both 3D shapes, you're going to take the back of Baby Yoda and glue the ears and the hands on where it says. You're going to make sure that the color on the ears and hands are facing towards you when you glue them on. Then you're going to glue this wrap thingy around Baby Yoda's front, which holds the faces on. And I actually glued this wrong. You put this on after you put the back side on. Or you could do it my way, whichever one works. Then you're going to put glue on the back side or the front side and glue both pieces together, like shown. Then you have completed your Baby Yoda, and you can slip different faces into his front part to make him have different facial expressions. Now we are going to make the Among Us Crewmate craftable. So again, you're going to cut out all the pieces just like they say. Each piece has striped lines, and that is where you're going to fold mountain fold, aka fold towards you. Once you've folded all of the pieces, you're going to attach them with glue or roll-on tape. There are clusters of big white dots on this one, and that is where you're going to put the glue. You're going to do the same folds on these as in the Baby Yoda one to make 3D shapes. Then you're going to glue all those pieces together. You can also add a hat where it says to add a hat.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Also, don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so you're notified every time we make a new video. Bye! Bye!
I'm the imposter. No, I'm the imposter. How dare you? Ding 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 ding.